Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I alter my two-fitted sleeve to be more comfortable. Let's get started. So I already made two dresses by myself. The first one is this batik dress that I made in previous video. And the second one is this pleated pattern dress that I made few months ago. Both of them has a same issue, which on the sleeve area. It was too narrow for me and don't give me some freedom to move around. So let's fix the things up. This is how the inside of the sleeve part looks like. As you can see, I have wide enough seam allowances that I can manipulate later. The first thing to do, I'm gonna make a new line starting from this point all the way through the cuff. Make sure to draw the line between the seam line and the edge of the fabric. Do the same thing on the other sleeve and make sure that they are identical. Here I'm using some pins to help me to find where is the exact starting point and where it will gonna end. The result gonna look something like this. And this is how much additional room that the sleeve will have. More than enough for me. Now bring it to the sewing machine and sew the line. Now I have 2 rows of stitch on my sleeve here. Next thing we're gonna do is seam rip all the old stitches off. After all old seams is removed, turn the dress right side out. At this point, you will need to iron the sleeve to make the new seam more crisp. And that's basically it. So here is the final result. Although it only took a simple step, but it made a huge difference. The dress become more comfortable for me to wear, and of course it provides me more room to move around. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!